Good morning.
It's 6:57 a.m.
All right, so I'm about to write my to-do list down really quick, and the things that I really want to tackle today, I have a couple from yesterday that I did not tackle, and that was hanging the plant in the bathroom. First, I'm gonna get her out the windowsill, and we're gonna have her hanging right there, and I'm gonna be using one of those Ikea, one of these. But I don't know if I want her to hang longer. I don't know. Let's get the hook up there first, and then we'll decide all that. Once I get the hook up, we're gonna go repot her because she needs to be in a pot that will fit inside of the Ikea thingy. So let's do that. We're gonna bring her down. Yeah. Bring her down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hold on, yeah. Oh, it's a lot hanging. That's why it didn't just come up. Yeah. See how long she is. And this is a baby from one of the mothers that I probably showed you guys in another video. So let's bring her to the kitchen where we're gonna repot her. I've been wanting to do this. I'm like, let's get this done today. Stuff for painting already ready. Get her here. Put the hook up first, and then we're gonna come repot the baby. See all this stuff. Oh, keep knocking into these cabinets. Okay, let's grab one. Hopefully it's not one with wax on it. Ugh. Okay, we got a good one. Oh, I was retwisting my hair, and as I did, I noticed this I had put up on TikTok, and it was like, girl, get rid of them, get rid of them. So I want to take those back to TJ Maxx. That was $6, so yeah, I need my $6. I don't even know the receipt at. It doesn't even matter. I need my $6 because, yeah, no. I didn't even notice that. And who would think that you have to look at that for hair clips? Like, really? No, I need my money back. Needed a bigger drill bit because this piece has to get pushed in and then it'll start screwing into the ceiling. So I went and got my other drill bit. Oops, it's not in here tight. Hold on. There we go. Let me get a screwdriver. All right, we're up there. This would definitely be too long. Look how long this extension is. It'll be way, it'll be basically sitting on top of here. Do I want that? No, I don't think so. So let's keep it up there and let's go repot the plant. Take her and put her in there and see how this looks. Set it there. Okay, so coming from this angle, this is what it's looking like. And yeah, I'm gonna take and kind of like put this up here. Yeah, we're gonna do something with this. Or I don't know, we're gonna do something with it. I don't want it to just be there. And on this side, we'll see. Maybe I can stick that back over here. I like that look. We'll see. Let me play with it. So I'm trying to get TikTok and do this at the same time. But I think I like how she flows like this. So that way if I did put something here, she's not impeding with that. So I don't know. I'm going to keep it like that for a while to see how I feel about it. Yeah. I feel like I need to do some movement. I feel like she don't look full in the middle. A little spider web. Anyhow. So the planter is up. That is something was on my to-do list. So that is up. And we're gonna leave it like that for now. And let's move on to our next task. Clean up this mess on that windowsill. So let's get this bad boy. We just need the top of it. See why I wanted to move it? It was like heavy for the windowsill. So I'm going to have to re-caulk that and all that. I'm going to just get some wipes and get in here because this ain't getting in the corners and I don't feel like putting the extension on. It's all on the toilet. So we're going to wipe all that up first before I move to the next thing because it's going to irritate me. And then I'll be back. All right, I had to wipe her down nice and clean. And so this is what we have. I love it. I love it, y'all. I love it. I'd be proud of my plant babies. I think I might take and put some extra, like let some things, well I already got some with roots, so I'm gonna put some extra ones in there to fill that up some more. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, all right, on. I need to water this plant because I just agitated the dirt from around the leaves and stuff. So I need to water the plant. I usually keep my watering can in my meditation room because that's where most of the plants are. So let's water her real quick. I got it. Hold on.